All right, we're back here at the Florida RV Supershow, and this tour is going to be for an Alliance. This is for one of our subscribers, Ed. He requested that we do this video, and this is the Alliance Paradigm 375 RD. This one's for you, Ed. Alright, looks pretty good. Got triple slides on this side, on the driver's side of the RV. Triple slide outs. Got your water heater, you got your Nautilus system, you got switches for your slide outs here. Got some pretty decent size basement storage. Look, it even comes with treats. This is a huge basement storage though. Look at this. Wow, that's awesome. Good size. And then you got propane right here. Awesome. 30-pound tank. And all right, so underneath here, the front cap, we've got some storage here. And then we've got, this is where the batteries would go. And this is probably for a generator, possibly, or more storage, whatever you want. All right, so here is the other propane tank. Here's the particulars of it. Yeah, you got slide out switches on both sides.
And your awning.
Or no, slide outs on that side, awnings on this side. That's what it is.
Yeah, slide out 4, 5.
So there are 5 slide outs on this rig. So 3 on that side, and you can see the other 2. Look at the storage down here, though. Holy cow. That is great. 101-inch wide body.
She's doing it on purpose.
It's nice if they start putting the lights on the inside of the awning, so you don't have to put out the awning in order to have the light. So let's see. You got, hello. And you got a nice ladder for the back here. You've got, let's see, 1, 2 awnings, 2 big awnings. Yeah. So. All right, should we go check out the inside? All right, it's got this nice handle. I've seen a lot of these. I think these are made by Moride. It's got the 1, 2, 3, 4 steps by Lippert, the solid steps.
I know, I'm just trying. He's mine.
Oh, wow, look at the inside of this thing. This is great. Look how big it is.
Oh,
good, how are you, sir? Oh, wow. I mean, this is a lot of room. Still got a dinette set.
And nice, look at all this living space.
Oh my gosh, this is huge.
Got the couch.
Look at this TV. Oh. Oh, are those like barn doors kind of thing?
Yeah.
Oh,
storage.
So storage behind. That's cool.
Yep, and then the fireplace, it's got like a little...
You know you wouldn't be able to access the storage during football season though, because you know, can't block the TV.
Yeah.
It's got a sound bar.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. Furrion sound bar. More storage down here, it looks like.
Slide.
Oh yeah, it slides on the bottom too. Cool. And on that side?
Yep.
This is actually a nice little shelf where you can put little
That's what I
trinkets and stuff
fireplace.
on. Look at this couch. Do a couch test. How does it feel? You sit on it.
For football?
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch the game.
I mean, this is, wow. Look how much room is in here. This is a cool rig.
Well, look, like behind the wall, it looks...
Oh, it's got kind of like a marble kind of look to it. It's super bright in here too.
I don't know, maybe one of these pulls out into a sofa.
Yeah, this one's probably a sleeper sofa, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Yep, sure is. All right, should we move on?
They got 2 blinds.
Oh.
Like one for like, you know, you want
Daytime and nighttime.
Yeah, and then they got the nighttime blind.
Lots of good natural light in here.
It is.
I mean, you got this huge window right here too. You got some space here. You could put some kind of, you know, shelf or a
Storage over here.
bench or something like that.
For your card games or whatever.
Oh yeah.
We play cards.
Yeah.
What I like is these balances are wood. They're not.
Oh, it's not that. Yeah, that's actually real wood. Cool. Ooh, what do you think of this kitchen, babe?
Oh yeah.
It's got a 4-burner Insignia stove top with an oven and a microwave, some storage.
I like
Lots
the
of
two-tone.
storage.
So you got like the white here, and then you have like the brown.
Oh yeah. Yep. Cool.
Lots of storage. Oh my gosh, tons and tons of storage. Oh.
Reinforced drawers. These are pretty solid.
Oh, I mean, a lot of counter space.
Yeah. It's got the island. You got counter space over here on this side with a nice backsplash. Be a good coffee bar. It looks like there's a charging station where you can charge up your electronics and stuff up here. All right.
Fridge.
Oh yeah. Nice
and cool in there,
refrigerator,
yeah.
freezer on the bottom. See this food pantry.
Yeah.
This isn't the one I remember.
Ooh, oh, the light comes on automatically.
Yeah, that is nice.
I like
And
that.
I like the lip.
Oh yeah, it's got the lip. That's cool, especially on travel day. Keeps stuff from falling out everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Yep, you got the places to put your shoes there.
No carpet.
No carpet whatsoever, which is a great thing when you use an RV a lot.
I'm gonna guess this might be washer, dryer, hookup if it's anywhere. Maybe not.
No?
Just nice big storage.
Yeah, that is a huge cabinet for a bathroom. Look at this thing. Look at the shower. Nice.
Oh, look at this. Soft closed toilet. Well, I can't, but it's a soft closed toilet lid.
Oh, it's got the bench in there. If you want to shake
I
your
like
legs
this.
or whatever. Yeah. Nice. Nice big bathroom.
sink, medicine cabinet.
Lots of storage underneath the sink.
Lots of storage underneath. Very bright in here too.
Yeah. And it's like the barn door.
Oh.
Bye, Jen.
Bye. Little light dimmer. Look at
Okay.
that. So you can dim them down.
Oh, that's
right?
pretty cool.
And then turn them on and off. That's pretty cool right there.
Cool. Look at that closet. Wow. Oh.
Little storage.
Little hidden storage there.
Yep.
Jewelry and whatever else. Got TV in here.
Yep.
A bunch of drawers.
this is a nice
Big.
Oh, a little bench.
Oh, that's cool.
So like to sit and, I don't know, put your shoes on, socks on.
Yeah. Storage as well.
Temperature control. This is, ooh, nice closet.
It's big.
It is big.
Wow. Look at how deep that goes back there. And then you got also up here.
A little bit, yeah. Some USB chargers here.
Yeah, got the
Outlets.
chargers, a little place to put your phone or your CPAP or whatever you got on both sides, it looks like. So, and this actually has a barn door as well. Look at this. This is kind of cool.
Oh yeah, that is nice. Oh, and then, I just noticed there's shoe storage underneath there.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty smart right there.
That is.
Yeah.
Your slippers or house shoes.
Yep.
And storage underneath the bed.
Yep.
Doesn't go up very far,
Cool.
but I guess just enough.
Yeah. All right.
This must be a king.
Big.
Yeah.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this RV tour of a 2024 Alliance Paradigm 375RD. Stay tuned for more RV tours from the 2024 Florida RV Supershow.